So the first thing I did was import the different packages that we need for this, and the special ones are date, time, SMTPLIB, that one is for sending mail, and then also importing email and all those stuff in order to send the proper email to myself. So then I print that the import worked, and then I have the current time, and then I define the width and height of my screen, which is different for Mac between the other one, and then we're going to load the model from disk, and so this is how we can find the facial detection. So from the cafe model, so we print loading model to know where we are, and then we set net equals to deploy the cafe model, and then we set the video capture, so the capture to record an X long second video. And so then I define the 4cc as a video writer as an MP4, and then I define my output. So next I set a variable x equal to 1, and this is how I break out of the loop afterwards. So I say while x is equal to 1, you print in the loop, and then you start recording the first image. And so I set up my camera as a video capture, and then I say for I in range of 30, 10 people camera read, and this is something I did for the Mac so that the flash would work properly. And then I have return value, image, camera read, and then I'm going to write whatever I take to a specific file, JPG called face image, and then I close the camera to not break anything. So then I sleep the program for 2 seconds to have a difference in time between the different images taken, and then I construct the blob using the blob from image, and I also resize the image so it's easier with the spatial dimensions within height, and it returns a blob where the input image means subtraction, normalizing, and channel swapping. And so then I pass the blob through the network, and so this is how I figure out the detections. So then I move into a for loop. So in the for loop, I have in range of 0 to the detections shape, so that's just for the whole range of the image. We set a confidence prediction, so confident equal detections, that part, and so then we set a minimum confidence threshold and proceed, so that I have 0.5, and so if the confidence is greater than 0.5, that means that it is a face detected. I say for in that whole range, I grab a frame and then I output that frame, and then I also have x equals 2, and so that's how I break out of the loop that I change the variable. Then I create the email with the multi-purpose internet mail extension, and so I have my message, my password, and then who I'm sending it to and who I have it from, which is from my burner account. And then I attach the images that I want, which is just the one specific image file name, and I log into the server and send it, and then I release my output, my capture, and then I destroy all windows secure, nothing breaks. I cut out the section with my password, but this is how my code works, and so I run the code, my terminal, and so it loaded the model properly, and so then it recorded the first image, recorded because there's no person detected, recording another image because no one was detected, until I move into the frame, and then it starts recording the video because there's a person, and so this is the picture it got of me moving into the frame, and then this is the video it got of me. Thank you.